Hello, my name is Natalie.
And I'm Dawn.
We are students from Temple University's Occupational Therapy Department. Today, we would like to discuss a few low-tech assistive technology solutions for use in the kitchen that can help reduce meal prep time and effort. Assistive technology, also known as AT, could be described as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially, off the shelf, modified, or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. Low-tech assistive technology requires no electricity or batteries. Dawn has rheumatoid arthritis. As a result, she lacks grip strength and sometimes suffers from pain and inflammation. Repetitive motion can exacerbate pain and inflammation. Holding something for a very long time in the same position can cause her hands to freeze up. Fortunately, there are many types of low-tech AT that can help someone with this diagnosis. To conserve energy and protect joint integrity, an apple slicer minimizes repetitive motion. To use this apple slicer, take an apple that has been washed and place it on the counter right side up. Next, line up the middle of the apple slicer with the apple stem, or where the stem would be. Place your hands on either side of the apple slicer and press down. Be sure your fingers are out of the way of the blades. It is always best to do this on a low counter surface or table so that you can utilize the strength of your larger shoulder and arm muscles, rather than rely on your wrists. If the slicer does not cut all the way through the apple, you can remove each piece by pulling it away from the core. You have just sliced an apple in half the time with half the effort. To utilize strength without finger fatigue, this rocker knife is perfect. It is marketed as an herb chopper, but can be used for many types of food. To use this rocker knife, remove the blade shield. Place your washed fruit or vegetable on the cutting board. Position the blade perpendicular over the carrot. Again, make sure your fingers are out of the way of the blade. Holding the blade handle, rock it over the carrot. There you go. This tool could be even used to cut pizza. There are also products on the market with larger, or what we like to call built-up handles, such as this fruit and vegetable peeler. A built-up handle will decrease the amount of finger flexion needed to attain functional grasp. We hope that you have enjoyed our short demonstration of low-tech assistive technology use in the kitchen. The best thing about each of these products is that they are available from a store like Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, or Amazon. The OXO brand makes good universally designed kitchen products. Be creative. Just because something isn't marked as AT doesn't mean that it can't be.